Go back to the late 60s and early 70s and think that Dr. Warner and a group of doctors had the idea to start an emergency hospital in the United States. They didn't just start an emergency hospital, they did it specifically as a nonprofit. They really wanted to just make sure that they could help people, and that model didn't exist before. They wouldn't have imagined that that idea that was DoveLewis then had become what DoveLewis is now. The vision as it developed over the years, and we built the Pettygrove Hospital, was to expand what we do and the breadth of services we offer to really mirror human health care. For us to remain part of the fabric of not just Portland, but really Oregon and Southwest Washington, we need to continue to grow.
We are building another building in order to provide and sustain the medical needs of the community.
Being able to go to their primary care doctor or go to the ER, and then if they get hospitalized, be able to have specialists instead of leaving and going somewhere and waiting a few days for an appointment.
There is a huge advantage to having that all here, because that means that that family and that pet can all stay in one place, and we don't have to do that initial emergency visit and then have them leave and go somewhere else. And then that maintains their continuity of care with one hospital.
It allows us to, no matter what comes through the door, to have a specialty in the building that will be able to help that patient. And the most complex cases are often those that need more than one specialist.
This expansion project is going to let us take so much better care of our pets, and that's going to expand into our community. It's going to be vital to our patients, and it's going to be vital for me as a referring veterinarian to have all this in one place.
Animals come into the home as a part of the family, and there's no other place like DoveLewis right here in the Pacific Northwest. The commitment that they offer to us as families and pets off the street, exotic animals, we need more of that love and compassion and care and dedication in this world and in this community.
There's something about DoveLewis that is special. There's not a DoveLewis in other cities. There's just a couple of nonprofit organizations like ours in the whole country. This is my third kind of construction project in my 20 years at DoveLewis, and each one of them has been incredibly unique, and each one would have been impossible without donors and the support of the community. This vision is something that is extremely unique, and I think anybody in any city in the United States would be proud to have a DoveLewis in their community.